Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to go over some currencies and some commodities of interest. We're going to go over the key levels that may or might not have been hit this week. So gold was one chart we outlined as we were expecting some further downside on, and we discussed this little sort of move just through here and the trend line that was just running through here, and we were looking for the market to break out of that trend line. So we have seen that happen now. Price has now pulled back into this key little minor resistance zone and is currently just sort of rejecting that at the moment. If we go to an hourly time frame, you can see lots of wicks into this area at the moment. So looking at the weekly time frame, or even just jumping into this daily time frame, it looks to me like price is still sort of capped at this sort of level through here around about that 1916 area, and looking for the market to come and retest this major support zone around about that 1858 area. So looking for price to drop, still looking for the market to really push towards this area, and then maybe we see that long opportunity that we've been talking about for a while. But yeah, still looking for that. So still got this zone just through here marked up, waiting for this zone to be hit, looking for the market to really start breaking down. If we get some really good 4-hour low breaks on this would be nice to look for a pullback into these lows around about that 1900 area, pullback, look for that short into that zone through there. So gold still looking good for some downside. I still like the option of shorting gold. Euro, very bullish this week. We haven't really seen what we were expecting to see. We were looking for the lower high. We were looking for that dollar strength ultimately to come through. It hasn't come through. Price has completely ignored that, and we started to see some moves to the upside. So again, now we did have that change in trend through here on the daily. We had the change in trend here on the 4-hour, which we were all lining up for that impulse move to come and retest these lows. It just didn't follow through. Price then broke these highs, has closed above, and even if we go look at that 4-hour time frame on euro, price just looks more bullish than anything. We've got those highs being broken through here, retest of structure highs. Market looks to be pushing to the upside. So if we continue to make those 4-hour higher highs, I think we're going to see that dollar weakness really come through, and I wouldn't be expecting to see any upside until we saw any kind of really significant changes to that daily structure again. So just got to be patient here. Let's see how this one plays out. Looks to me like we're going to see some further upside. Just be a little bit careful that we do have this key major resistance level around about that 1940 area where the market found resistance in the past. So we could be heading back towards this level through there. Pound has been an interesting chart. The market really strong this week. This was something that we were looking at in terms of against the weaker currencies, so like pound Rs and things like that. We're looking good for long opportunities, and the market really still in this weekly uptrend. Pull back into these previous weekly highs, which maybe not want to be a seller of the pound because we have that nice trend in formation through there. Daily time frame as well created this nice higher high movement, and we've again going down into that 4-hour. You can see that price very much trending to the upside on the 4-hour. So pound still looking quite strong for the week. Expecting maybe some further pound long opportunities going through into this into next week. My favourites of this week were pound Oz, and potentially pound CAD. Pound CAD had a really nice transition recently. If I can just find that on the charts here. Here we go. So pound CAD, nice little breakout move through here. If we actually go to the 4-hour time frame, price is now sort of retesting this 4-hour structure through here, so we could see some further upside out of this, but weekly looks to be creating almost a higher low just through there. Could see some further upside from this, so yeah, expecting some upside to this pound CAD pair. Pound in general looking a bit bullish across the board, so expecting that pound strength to continue. Euro looking a bit stronger as well, so really next week we'll take a look at the Forex strength and weakness, see if there's been any decent changes to that. A lot of mixed messages out of it recently, so hopefully we get a bit more clarity into next week's Forex market outlook video, and I'll speak to you soon. Have a great weekend.